What's up, people? So this is part 3, 2, and 1. Those are parts I needed to fix my fuel leak, because I had a big fuel leak on the bottom where the injectors sit. As you can see, I already removed one of them. The one to the right, it's gonna be the old one I'm replacing. The one to the left, that's the one that was alright, but I'm replacing both of them. It was leaking really bad. I replaced the injectors down there, the fuel lines, the vacuum leaks. I put in all those new hoses. I spent $145 on those two pieces. I spent $100 on those pieces right there. Tiny little pieces. I had to make my own little hook. Sorry, wrong side. My own little hook, so I can remove these little parts. These little parts are broken because I didn't find a tool until I made my own little hook. On these little things, the first ones on the top, they have a little hole right there. If you can barely see it, but that little hole right there, if you can get a tool, or if you want to make your own hook, as long as it's got a little pointy little edge right there, you can hook it right there. Try to measure this little corner so it can sit right, and you can just hook it, and you don't have to struggle like trying to pull it out. Besides that, the car was running. I just ran into fuel leaks, vacuum leaks. The car was sitting for 10 years, so you guys gotta understand, those hoses became into plastic. They chipped and everything. And I think I'm just gonna make a better video. I think this is the last video I'm gonna make, because I'm just gonna install everything in there because I want it running. I want to drive it again after 10 years. Well, I already drove it, but took a dump. The life of my Mazda. Alright, people. Well, story of my life. Oh, there's my Beamer. I have an M3 too. If you guys want to check it out, let me know.